Hi, I hope you're doing good. So in this video I will show you how you can filter pick list based on the record type. So in OmniScript we have two ways. The first way is a standard way and the second way is a custom way using LWC override. So in this video I will only show you the standard way how you can filter pick list based on the record type. So we have lookup element here. In builder, go to the builder, search for lookup element. Yeah, this one. Just drag here in the step. So I have already dragged the lookup element here, and in this lookup element you have to select data source as a pick list filter by record type here, the last one. Yeah, and this input box pick list object and field we have to select object API name dot pick list API name. So in our case I'm selecting opportunity dot lead source, and in this record type input I have passed dynamic element name. So record type is my first element name. If you see this one, so whenever you select any record type here, it will directly pass to the lead source lookup element, and based on that that record type, this element only display that specific pick list value available for that record type. Okay, so this record type, how you can configure record type to pull all record type name for a specific object. So you have to select s object as a data source, and as a lookup query you have to configure this way. Select lookup object as a record type, lookup field as a s object, and filter value as a opportunity. And I'm storing the all record type name here in record type JSON path. And this section you have to as a value JSON path, we have to just put JSON path colon and then name, and here also you have to just put record type colon name. And in lead source either you can pass dynamic or either you can pass hard coded value. Okay, so let me show you. So on opportunity, let me check how many record types we have. We have only 3 record types available for this on opportunity object. So let me test this. Yeah, all 3 record type name are available to select. So let's select existing business, and based on existing business lead source value will be display. If you see, only 2 value are displaying for existing business. When you select other record type new business, yeah, different values are available for selection. And for our record type 1, the all value are available. So if you see here, our lead source value are changing based on the record type. So this is working perfectly. Thank you.